this is Elysia from Case Academia Libraries and welcome to our online digital mini-series, Digital Scrapbooking. In today's session we'll be looking at software, specifically Canva, but I will also give you the names of some other softwares that you can use. I personally use Canva as it's a free website. You can sign up with just an email, so you can type canva.com up in your web browser and you will need to sign up. If you want to pay for some other software includes Memory Suite. We have Forever.com, The Artisan. We have Memory Mixer, Smilebox. There's quite a variety of different softwares you can use. I personally like Canva because, as I said, it is a free software that you just need to sign into. And not only does it do scrapbooking, it does a whole variety of other things. So we can make digital presentations, videos, posters, resumes. It does a wide variety of stuff. So I've just signed in up in the top corner, and to start off I'm going to create my new layout. So I head into the top right hand side to create design. So I like to make a 12 by 12 page. Sorry, supposed to change the size before you put in how big you would like it. All right. So now our canvas has been created. Up in the top, we have a title that we can name it. This indicates the paid for version. So this does have a free version, which we are using, and a paid for, which is a monthly subscription that you could choose to use. In the center, this is our 12 by 12 canvas. So this is where we will be creating our layout. To the left-hand side of the screen, we have templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, music, videos, background, and folders. Folders is a function that generally you use with the paid for. You can only create 2 folders in the free version, I believe. We will commonly be using the uploads, which are the images that we will take from our computer and upload into the web browser. Photos is from the website itself, so you generally don't use that unless they've got some cool backgrounds and stuff that you would like to use for your art. Elements I use as well. Down the bottom here we have a frames section which gives us different images that we can put our images into. I really like that for creating funky layouts. Text, we can create headings and we can do bodies of work. So if you wanted to type up paragraphs about your scrapbooking, you can do that. Music and videos I personally don't use. And then backgrounds, the software also has some free backgrounds that we can use. Now, the important thing is with all the images, they have 2 versions. They have the free version and they have the paid for version. So if you hover over an image you like, down in the bottom right hand side should come out a free word, which means you can use it. If you hover over an image and it has nothing, or it has the crown, just like on the Try Canva Pro button, both of those indicate that it is a paid for version. So if you try to use it, a watermark will come up, and then when you try to download, you will have to pay so that you can use that one. So we're just going to get rid of him. So I click on the canvas and I head to the little trash pan. If we go to elements, we'll just grab a frame for the moment. So free frame. Some important things are we have the position. So you can move your image to the top of the page, middle of the page, bottom of the page. You could move it to the left side, the center, the right side. You can also click you want it in the middle, center, and all of them will automatically move. Another thing I really enjoy is it has grid lines. So if I move my image, it's now told me that's the center of the page. If I move him to the middle, it shows me that's the middle of the page. So you can also move him to the outer corner and he shows you a circumference around that you might want to try to keep your images inside of. So I personally like that for my images. It helps with layering and stuff as well. This next button that I also like to use is transparency. So it shows how clear the image is. So this would be a solid image, but you can fade it out just to show like a ghost of an image and stuff. So I also like to use that one. I don't use link because that would send you to a different website and stuff. Lock is very important if you're layering. So by clicking the lock, you now can't accidentally move the image somewhere else on the page, which is very important. And to unlock him again, you can, and to unlock him, you just head back up to the top of the page where you see the lock button and it unlocks the image again, so it's free to move around. Duplicate just copies him just like you would on a normal image, and then of course trash ban is delete. So that's one of the things. If we head over to text, we've got free images again. So let's try play. So click on play and he pops up there. So just move him around the page. If you click on him, you can change colors just like you would normally. We also have sizing, so you can change the size of your fonts like you're in Word. If you use the circles, you can size them that way as well. Works on both the images. They do the same thing. You can change the font, just like the photos and the elements. We have free ones which have nothing, and then the paid for have these little crowns. We also have like your standard, you change, there we go. If you're using your standard fonts, we have the colors. You can bold it, you can unbold it, italic, which this one won't let us do. You can underline, big letters, little letters, center of the word box, you can list, and you can move them. You can change the height of the letters, and you can also change the heights of the lines. Also effective. The last one is effects. You can change how you want it to look. So those are some basics. Feel free, have a little play around, and we will see you at next week's lesson. Thanks for watching. For more projects and videos, you can visit our website at cclc.vic.gov.au and click on the Library at Home link, or you can search for Casey Cardinia Libraries on YouTube. Bye!